Okay, and simply type JDK 1.8 download and go to download. This is the official website, right? The Oracle. This is the official website. Then you have to download. If you have the 64-bit machines, then go to the Windows. Okay. Then if you have the 64-bit machines, then you can download 64-bit and then just click on it. Second one, then you start downloading. I stop at download because I have downloaded already. Okay, done everyone. Hello, hello everyone, done.
Sir, actually, I'm having no electricity, so can you please take my system on any days and then do on the next class?
Okay, next class.
Yes.
Okay, then I'll teach the next class how to download. Okay, you just okay, leave it. See, last class we have discussed the history of Java, right? If you have the if you don't write in the history of Java, you can take the screenshot, then you will write on your copy. Understood? You just take the screenshot. Done? Hello. Okay. They take this how to programming language is built. They take this screenshot and write it on your copy. Like this, make on the box and tell this. And these tokens. Done? This is the identifier. This is the examples. What I have explained in the last class, right? Hello, guys, unmute yourself and yes and no. Okay, take the screenshot. Done.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the keyword. If you have written, then leave it. But those who are not able to read and that time, then you can take the screenshot. Just then you will write in your on your copy after the class. This is the operators. Then you have to write on your copy like this only. Make the headings operators. Then after that, the definitions and types. What are the types and what are these? Then separator. You just take on screenshot right now. Then after that you will write. Done. Comments. Comments already done in the last class. You understood? Yeah. Or I shall I explain once again? Everyone understood in the last
Yes,
class.
sir.
If you have any doubt, you can ask. Because in the last class, at that time, I don't have any headphones. That's why the voice was low. I heard on the video. That's why. The now voice is clear, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. The done screenshot.
No, sir.
Okay. The retailers. This is the literals. Okay. What I have discussed in the last class. This is the literals. You just take the screenshots after that. This is the JVM memory. Understood the JVM memory? I think somebody have some doubts. Everyone understood the JVM memory? How it will work? Now, shall I explain on second, sir? If you have any doubt, you can ask. Yes, yes. There are so many videos in YouTube for the installations of the Java JDK. But this is the simple, not the difficult. Everyone can download and install. The make the path there. That is the some difficulty you will facing, right? Everyone understood Java architectures. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Then I will explain 1 second. Guys, unmute yourself and talk with me. Sandhya, if you have any doubt, you can ask. I know the last class, last class, the voice was very low, and there is no PPT, and that's all. That's why I'm not explaining properly. That's why I'm telling you. Everyone understood or explain on seconds.
Explain.
Okay. See, this is our laptop or computer screens, and whatever the programs we have write in the notepad or Eclipse and any other things, it will the resource source code. We can say it is the source code, and it is the human readable format. Means what? Human readable format. This is the code. Then this code we have to save dot Java extensions. We have to save the dot Java file. Understood? Whatever the code you have written here, this code we have to save dot Java file extensions. Then this file will give the input as a there is a in command form there. Wait, this is the same CMD. This is the command prompt, right? In command prompt there are two parts. One is Java C. Java C means Java compilations, and Java means Java interpretations. Understood? There are two parts. One is Java C, and another one is Java. Java C means Java compilations, means Java compile the Java programs, and Java means Java interpretations. In the Java run the programs, execute the programs. Understood? The whatever the file you have written in the systems, and it will save. We have to save the Java extensions. Dot Java extension, right? This is the dot Java extension. In this dot Java file, we will give input as a Java compilations. We will give input as a Java compilations, and Java compilations will check the syntax rule, and then it will check syntax. If Java compilation finding any abnormal statement, then it will give the compile time error, right? Then if check the syntax is okay, the rules and regulations, everything is okay, then it will convert to the dot Java file to dot class file. Then it will convert the dot Java file to dot class file. Dot class file. Dot class file is also called as Unicode. and it is also called as a bytecode. So it is not understandable machine either human. इसको कोई समझ नहीं पाएगा। ये जो डॉट क्लास फाइल क्रिएट करेगा, एक कंपाइलेशन पे ट्रांसलेट करेगा, इसको कोई समझ नहीं पाएगा। इसको मशीन भी समझ नहीं पाएगा, इसको ह्यूमन भी समझ में नहीं पाएगा। समझ में आया? देन this dot class file will give the input as a Java interpretations. Input as a Java interpretations. Java interpretations. then Java, interpretation. Then JVM will start executing left to right, left to right, this way, line by line, and top to bottom. There are the how many lines of codes, then it will check the line by line, left to right and top to bottom. Then it will check the read line by line, then execute Java and translate just in time. Then just in time, after that I will see what is just in time. Okay, then it will convert, to the byte code. Now binary code, sorry, binary code. Dot class file to convert in Java the binary code, Java interpretations. It will convert to the binary code. Understood? Everyone understood? This is the source code. This is the human readable format. Then it will give.
Sir, can you please explain once again, sir?
Okay. Whatever the programs we will write in the Notepad or Edit Plus or Eclipse, this is the human readable format. Human readable format means what? आप उसको पढ़ सकते हो, आप रीड कर सकते हो, आप राइट कर सकते हो, उसको अंडरस्टैंड कर सकते हो, आप समझ सकते हो आपने क्या लिखे हो। वो जो आप जब कंप्यूटर में जो प्रोग्राम लिखते हो आपको समझ में आता है हाँ ये हमने क्यों लिखा है, ये कंस्ट्रक्टर है, मेथड है, ये ऑब्जेक्ट है। ठीक है, तो इसको कहते हैं सोर्स कोड। इतना समझ में आया? तो जब मेरा प्रोग्राम कंप्लीट हो गया तब इसको हम सेव करेंगे। we have to save the .java extensions. We have to save .java extension file. Then this .java file will give input as a Java compilations. तो ये क्या करेगा, ये इनपुट मिला डॉट जावा फाइल का, then it will check the syntax and rules. If there is syntax any violate any rules or syntax, then it will throw the compile time exception and compile time error, right? Then everything is okay, there is no violate any syntax and rules, then it will convert .java file to this is now this is the uh, .java file, right? Then .java file, then this .java file the translate to .class file. Java compilations is taking the responsible to convert .java file to .class file, and this .class file will be give and the input as a Java interpretations. Then it will read line by line, and it will also check the rules and syntax. Then if here is a finding any abnormal statement or syntax error, then it will throw the runtime error or runtime exceptions. Understood? Then it will read line by line, means line by line, left to right and top to bottom. After one line read and then comes to the next line. After one line read and then comes to the next line. Understood? Then after that it will convert a .class file. Now I have given the .class file input. .class file input as a Java interpretations. Java interpretations. Okay. Then this dot class file Java interpretations, it will take the responsible to convert dot class file to binary format. Understood? Then it will convert binary format. समझ में आया सबको? हेलो हेलो.
Yes, sir.
This is the source code. This is the .java file. It will give the input as a Java compilations, means Java C. Then it will convert the .java file to .class file, and this .class file will be given input as a Java interpretation, means Java. Then it will convert the dot class file to binary format. Understood, everyone? Everyone understood? If you have any
Yes,
questions,
sir.
you can ask. Everyone, just unmute yourself and tell, or if you have any problem, then you can message. Then I'll forward on the next topics. Everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Easy? Then I give you the explanation, right? This is the explanations. As a software engineer, we will write a programs in Notepad or Edit Plus, which will be human readable format. Okay. This program is also called as source code. Once we write the programs, we have saved the programs with the extensions of .java. Understood? Then .java file will be given as an input to the Java compiler. Then it will check syntax rule, then translate from the .java file to .class file. Understood? If you violate any syntax or rules, then it will throw compile time error. Then this dot class file is also called as a bytecode or intermediate code. Then it cannot be understandable neither by human and neither by machines. Then this dot class file will be given as an input to the Java interpretations. Then it will check the programs line by line. Then it will execute, and then it will translate from the dot class file to binary format. If we find any abnormal statement like 1 divided by 0, it will throw runtime error. Then take the screenshot, and then you have to write on your copy explanations of the Java architectures. Okay. Interviewer will be asked to explain the Java architecture, how to work. Then you have just explain like this. You just tell like this, and you have to make like this on your copy. This is the on laptop, and this is the two boxes, and mentions all those things. Understood? And take the screenshot. Done, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Okay. Then explain JDK, JRE, or JVM. See, JDK. JDK is the Java development key, and JRE is a Java runtime environment, and JVM means Java virtual machines. Suppose JDK is a word. This is the word, and JR is a India. Okay, and JVM is a state. Then which state we have belongs to? West Bengal. Means what? एक वर्ल्ड के अंदर क्या है, इंडिया एक देश है, ठीक है। इंडिया इंडिया एक कंट्री, then we have inside the India there are the several state, then one state we called the West Bengal. Understood? Some interviewer will ask the mentioning the world country and state, then you have to tell JDK, JRE and JVM. You just mentions JDK means world and JRE means India, and JVM means state or state. Understood? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Interviewer will ask, okay, like this only. Then any others example they will give, but JDK के अंदर है JRE and JRE के अंदर है JVM. You just understand three things, then you will tell him when they will ask the JDK, JRE and JVM. Understood? Then JVM and JDK, Java Development Kit. It's full form of Java Development. JDK will consist of all the libraries, files and utilized to develop the Java software. जेडीके के अंदर जितना लाइब्रेरीज फाइल है सब इसके अंदर है। ओके, जेडीके विल कंसिस्ट ऑफ ऑल द लाइब्रेरीज फाइल एंड यूटिलाइज टू डेवलप द जावा सॉफ्टवेयर। अंडरस्टूड? द प्रोग्राम विल एग्जीक्यूटिंग फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट एंड टॉप टू बॉटम। अंडरस्टूड? JDK like a container, restoring all the libraries. Then what is library? We will see. Okay. Then Java runtime environment. Java runtime environment is take the responsibility to provide the environment. Then we can run the programs. देखो, Java runtime environment ये क्या करेगा? ये environment provide करेगा program run करने के लिए. Then it will take the responsibility to provide the runtime environment, then we can run the programs. Understood? Then Java virtual machines, JVM. JVM is take the responsibility to execute the Java programs, but it will not present in physically. It will present in virtually. Java इस इसका एक क्या करेगा? ये सिर्फ प्रोग्राम को एग्जीक्यूट करेगा, फिर वो अपने आप अपने जगह जाके पहुंच जाएगा। ये प्रेजेंट नहीं रहेगा फिजिकली, ये वर्चुअली प्रेजेंट रहेगा। अंडरस्टूड? And just in time whatever the programs will dot class file to converting the binary format, then just in time is take the responsibility to translate dot class file to binary format. The binary file will be given as a input to the operating system and operating system will provide the output. Okay, मतलब देखो, ट्रांसलेट करेगा किस कौन? जस्ट इन टाइम, और एग्जीक्यूट करेगा इस जावा प्रोग्राम को, और ट्रांसलेट करेगा जस्ट इन टाइम। इट विल टेक द रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू कन्वर्ट डॉट क्लास फाइल टू binary format, and Java interpreter it will present in the Java interpreter. Understood? Just in time it will present in the Java interpreter. Then write this code. Write on your copy explanations of the JDK, JRE and JVM. Everyone understood? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you have any doubt, you can ask, sir. Then write on your copy.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes. So are you teaching anything, sir?
No, no. You have to write on your copy. Copy.
Oh,
Done. Done, everyone. Done, everyone. Hello. Hello.
यस सर।
Done.
यस सर। सर जस्ट इन टाइम जो है ना उसका सेकंड लाइन क्या है सर?
सेकंड लाइन नहीं दिख रहा?
नहीं सर, नहीं सर, नहीं दिख रहे सर।
ओके। बी गिवन एज ए, इतना तक दिख रहा है ना?
हाँ सर, गिवन ऐसे ही इतना।
ओके। एज ए इनपुट टू ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, एज ए इनपुट. Okay, okay. I'm minimizing this. input to operating system, and operating system will provide the output. That's it. Done?
Done, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall I go? The next.
Yes.
Okay. Make the heading class. Make the heading class and write the definition. Class is a blueprint or template which is used to create an object. Class is a blueprint or template which is used to create an object. Done? Done, everyone? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The class is a blueprint or template which is used to create an object. In class, there are three members. Three members. One is variable, another one is method, and another one is constructor. Understood? One is variable. Variable means देखो एक आदमी का क्या आता है, दो दो लड़का है और एक क्या है, मादर है, ठीक है, सपोज, एंड ए फादर से एंड ए मादर से, ठीक है। तो ये क्या करेगा, और ये दोनों किड है। तो इन क्लास वी हैव थ्री मेंबर्स, one is variable, another one is method, and another one is constructor. Understood? In class we have three members, one is variable, second one is method, and third one is constructor. Understood? Then make the head, then I will see the what is variable, what is method, and what is constructor. You just understood. And in class we have three members, one is variable, one is method, and one is constructor. Okay, then after that we will see what is variable, what is method, and what is constructor. Just wait a minute. Okay, so you just understood the in class we have three members, variable, method, and constructor. Then we will see the what is variable, method, and constructor. Then make the headings types of Java. Hello, make the heading types of Java. Java types means what? Class type, enum, annotations, and interface. There are three types of Java. No, four types of Java. Okay, done? Done, everyone?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Then after that, make the heading data types. After that, make the heading data type. Data types means what? There are two types of data. Make like this. Data types. After that, make like this. Make like this. There are two types: primitive data types and non-primitive data types. Okay, and in primitive data types, there are eight primitive data types is there: byte, short, long, int, float, double, character, and boolean. And non-primitive data type is there. Non-primitive data type means strings, array, return type, and class type. There are the non-primitive data type. Understood? You have to write just on your copy. Then I will explain after that. A note is important. Okay, you have to make the note. Then you will read. Then only you will get to know what will happen, and you will get to understand all those things. Okay, done everyone.
Yes, sir.
Data types done. Hello, written.
Yes, sir.
Oh, very good. Then make the headings variable. Variables क्या है? Variable are the name memory allocations. Variable are the name memory allocations. See, this is the bottle, right? Bottle, empty bottle. This is the variable. Empty bottle. This is the variable, and we just input the water. This is the value, right? This is the value. Water is the value, and empty bottle. Bottle is the variable. Understood? Bottle is the variable. Guys, you're visible? Screen is visible, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then you can see the bottle and water bottle. There is. Hello. You can
Yes,
able to see the water bottle, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then you can say anything. The variable. Variable is the container. Understood? Yeah. This is on room, right? This is the variable. This is the variable, but whatever the instrument inside the room, this is the value. Understood? Understood, everyone? What is the variable?
Yes, sir.
Okay, write the definitions. The variable are the name. Name means what? Name, this is the identifier. Also you can call it the identifier, right? Variable. The name. Variable are the name memory allocations. Memory allocations means what? This is the memory. See, this is the memory. This is the one year, right? Like 10 and 11 and 12. See, this is the container. Okay, this is the container, and we have put the value is the 11, right? Understood? It means the variable are the name memory allocations which is used to store some data और value. देखो, ये empty bottle जब रहेगा तब क्या करेंगे? ये मेरा वेरिएबल है which is used to store. जब हम इस पे वाटर पुट करेंगे तो क्या करेगा? स्टोर किया हमने some value or data, right? And it can be changed n number of time during execution. It can be changed. We can put one more container or one more variable. Then we can put here one variable to another variable. Then it can be changed n number of time during execution. Then we will see the how it will work the n number of time during executions. When we'll do the programs, then we'll get to know the how it will work the n number of time that it can be changed the n number of time during executions. Okay, done everyone? Done the definition? Hello,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
everyone understood what is
Yes, sir.
variable and what is value? Understood? Variable means one container and whatever the inside the container, this is the value. Okay, understood? Okay, then variable declarations. Make the headings next line. Make the headings variable declarations and syntax. Data types of the variable and देखो integer, this is the data type, right? And x is the variable, right? Int means what? This is the integer, right? Integer type. Or x is the variable. You just make one more lines, the variable declarations and syntax, data types and variable. Understood? And make the give the examples. Int x. Understood? Hello, this is the syntax.
Yes, sir.
This is the syntax, right? And this is the example. Int x. Okay, then variable initialization. Variable को initialize कैसे करते हैं? This is the syntax. Variable equals to value. Variable equals to value means what? See, x equals to 10. 10 means what? Equals to operator, it will work right to left. Then it will store in the x, right? It will store in the x. Then this is called variable initialization. Understood? X equals to 10 means now x value is 10. And 10 value is, it will store in the x. X means this is the variable. Understood? Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
X is the variable and 10 is the value, and equal to operator, it will work right to left. Right to left means what? 10 value it will store in the x means variable x. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Then you can say anything, whatever the variable names. You can take one your name also. Then it will put that variable value the 10. Then it will store in the one your name. Understood? The variable are the name memory allocations which is used to store some value. Some value means what? This is the 10 is the value which is used to store some value or data, and it can be changed n number of time during execution. मतलब इसको हम देखेंगे जब हम प्रोग्राम करेंगे तो एक कैसे चेंज होता है इसका वैल्यू ड्यूरिंग एग्जीक्यूशन के टाइम पे. ठीक है? अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? वेरिएबल इनिशियलाइजेशन कैसे होता है और क्या होता है? एवरीवन अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir.
If you have any doubts, you can ask anyone. Hello. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Everyone understood? If you have understood, you just put on message. You have understood.
Yes, sir.
And definitions is easy, right? And simple. Hello, you understood the definition?
Yes, sir.
the easiest way, right? Then make the headings variable utilizations. Utilize कैसे करेंगे? Make the headings variable utilization. This is the syntax, right? Variable utilizations. System dot out dot println. तो सिस्टम क्या है, आउट क्या है, प्रिंटलन क्या है, हम लोग बाद में देखेंगे एक एक का मीनिंग से ये सिस्टम क्यों है, अरे ये कैपिटल क्यों है, आउट क्या है और प्रिंटलन क्या है, और प्रिंट भी होता है और प्रिंटलन, हम इसका डिफरेंस भी जानेंगे जो कब हम प्रिंटलन यूज करेंगे, कब प्रिंट यूज करेंगे. नाउ यू जस्ट अंडरस्टूड द वेरिएबल यूटिलाइज कैसे करते हैं. यूटिलाइज मीन्स व्हाट, देखो वेरिएबल को डिक्लेरेशन किया है इंट एक्स, डिक्लेरेशन करने के बाद हमने स्टोर किया है, देखो एक्स इक्वल्स टू 10 मीन्स 10 10 stored in the x variable, and which type, this is the integer type, this value is the integer, right? 10 is the integer, right? Understood?
Yes.
Then we have the utilize means what, we take the output, then system dot out dot println, and pass, we have pass only the variable name, then it will give the output as a 10. Understood everyone? This is the output of the 10, and we have utilized this variable utilizations. Done. Written.
Yes.
Everyone written on your copy.
Yes, sir.
It needed. After that, you will learn on your copy. Then you will get to know. Okay, easily you will understand. And make the one bottle on your copy for the real time imaging tool. Understood? Understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
The variable
Yes, sir.
initialize, then make the headings variable initialization and declarations in single line. Make the headings next, after the variable utilizations, make the headings variable initialization and declaration in a single line, and write the syntax. This is the syntax, right? Data types variable. Data types variable means what? This one, data types variable. Okay, the data types, this is the data types. Data types means what? Integer. Int is the data types. And variable names. Variable names means what? The x is the variable name. And data types means what? This is the integer types of data. And value means what? Value, this is the 10, and this is the operator, equal to the operator. And a comma, semicolon, this is the separator, and this is the ending statement. When you put the semicolon, then it will stop the executions here. Okay, if you don't put the semicolon, then it will not execute the programs, and it will not stop the executions, and it will give the syntax error. Understood? Understood? Everyone understood? Variable initialization and declarations in a single line. Okay,
Yes.
written, everyone written, done. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it's easy na or tough? Hello everyone,
Yes, sir.
it's easy.
Sir.
Yes.
If you have any questions, you can ask. Then this is the starting point. We will see after that then task concept. Then you will not understand. If you have any queries, then you can ask. Then we variable declarations, initializations, and variable utilization. Okay, what are these those things? Then you have to understand. Then variable reinitializations. एक बार इनिशियलाइज कर लिया, फिर उसको हम री इनिशियलाइज करेंगे. अंडरस्टूड? देखो Java, it will take the updated value. Updated value means what? आपने जो पुट किया है यहाँ पे पहले 5 पुट किया है ना, दिस इज द वेरिएबल, दिस इज द वेरिएबल x, ओके। तो आपने 5 पुट किया है तो 5 वैल्यू स्टोर हो गया किसमें, x में। आप चाहते हो नहीं x में हम फिर से 10 वैल्यू पुट करेंगे, तो क्या करेगा, अभी 10 को 10 को इंडिकेट करेगा, इट विल टेक द अपडेटेड वैल्यू। Java will take the updated value, then previous value will not take. Okay, then we will see the mutable and immutable in nature. Then you will get to know what is the reinitializing of the variable of the on the Java programs. Okay, then make the headings variable reinitialization. Reinitialization, then make the examples int x equals to 10. Int is the data type and x is the variable and 10 is the value, and value it will store in the x. Understand? Then system.out.println, this is the variable utilizations, this is the printing statement. Okay, then we have path the x, then it will the output the 10. Okay, then we want to reinitialize. Now this initialization is done here, then we want to reinitialize. Then reinitialize means what? After that we have initialized the x equals to 5. 5 means now x value is 5, now x value is 5. This is the now here x value is 10 and here x value is 5. Then system.out.println, we have we just call x, then it will give the output as a 5. Understood? The variable initialization and reinitializations. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Everyone
Yes, sir.
understood? If you have any query, you can ask.
Sir.
Yes. Hello.
So can you please tell me where x equal to 5, if 5 is greater than 10, less than 10?
This is not greater than or less than. This is just arrow. Guys. Not this
So
is
can
this
you
is the
please
this
do,
is just
yes,
arrow.
x,
This is
when
this
x
is
equal
not
to
greater
5.
than. Yes. This is the
Okay.
output. Just this is the arrow symbol. Not greater than, not greater, less than. Hello?
Okay, so
Guys,
this is the output, right?
yes, this is the output, and this is not greater than or less than. This is just arrow. You will get the output 5.
Okay.
Understood? This is the arrow. This is not
Okay,
greater than or less than.
when
Tell her.
okay, so when x equal to 5, okay, so when x equal to 5, what will be the output? X equal to 5.
X equals to 5 means 5 it will store in the x, right? The now updated value is x value is 5, then it will we just call the x, then it will give the output as a 5. Means variable reinitialization.
Yeah.
फर्स्ट एक बार मैंने इनिशियलाइज कर दिया, वेरिएबल क्या है, डेटा टाइप क्या है, इंटीजर टाइप है। तो
Okay.
यहाँ पे है, बताओ। अंडरस्टूड?
Yes.
देखो भाई, एक बार मैंने स्टोर कर दिया, सपोज एक बार मैंने इसमें वाटर स्टोर किया, वाटर, ठीक है। तो इस वाटर को यूटिलाइज कर लिया। यूटिलाइज करने का मतलब क्या होता है, हम इसको प्रिंट कर दे। अब प्रिंट भी नहीं करो तो क्या करेगा, देखो वाटर को यूटिलाइज करने के बाद ये वेरिएबल क्या हो गया, एम्प्टी हो गया। अब यहाँ पे हम कुछ और जूस इनपुट करेंगे, तो जब हम यूटिलाइज करेंगे तो हमको जूस मिलेगा या वाटर मिलेगा, बताओ। पहले मैंने वाटर
Juice मिलेगा।
तो जूस मिलेगा। तो सपोज you just understood that this is the juice and this is the water. Whatever the juice water storing in the x variable, we just utilize here. Okay, then and whatever the juice is storing in the X, then we just utilize the in here. Understood? This is the variable in reinitialization. Understood, everyone? Everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Then Roop Bhattacharya, are you understood? Hello,
Yes, sir.
Suman,
Yes, sir.
Suman Devan.
Yes,
Hello.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Everyone understood, right? Okay. Shall I move to the next concept, right? Written. Write down on your copy. Right? Also example. Done, everyone? Hello.
Done, sir.
Okay. Then make the headings types of variable. Now you will get to know how it will work. Okay. Types of variables. Variable has been classified into two types. One is local variable, another one is global variable. Done, everyone? Everyone done? Everyone just unmute yourself, right? Done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. देखो लोकल वेरिएबल क्या होता है देखो see this is the class, right? This is the class is a keyword, right? This is the class and this is the sample is the identifier. This is the class name, right? Hello. And this is the
Yes.
main method we will see the main method क्या है हम आगे जाकर पढ़ेंगे जी हाँ मेन मेथड को पब्लिक क्यों है स्टैटिक क्यों है वॉइड क्यों है मेन क्यों है ठीक है तो देखो मेन मेथड की अंदर जो
Sir, explain
वेरिएबल
in English.
हाँ
In English.
हेलो
Hello. You explain in English.
okay see this is the class is the keyword, right? The class is the keyword and samples is the class name, which is the identifier. Okay, you this is the identifier and public static void main. This is the main method. Then we will see the what is public, what is static, what is void, and what is main. Okay. Then after that, now you just understood. This is the main method, and inside the main method, then whatever the value we have utilize or declarations and utilizations, it is called as local variable. This is the local variable, and this outside the method, then we will see this is the global variable. I will see the global variable. What is the global variable? This is the local variable. Okay, understood? Inside the method, then make the write the definitions. Any variable which is declared inside the method or within the method is called as local variable. Done, everyone? Hello?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Any variable which is declared inside the method or within the method is called as local variable. Okay, then make the points scope of the local variable. Scope of the local variable. Its form, beginning the method. Beginning the method means what? Method starting from यहाँ से start करेगा. This is the beginning the method till end of the method. Then method from here is here, from this part and from this part till this part. It's from beginning of the method and till end of the method. And till end of the method is called as local variable. This is the local variable. Understood, everyone? Understood? It cannot be classified into static and non-static. You don't know the static and non-static, then you will see the what is static and non-static. Then you will get understand the what is the it cannot be classified into static and non-static. Okay. Then make the one more points. Without declarations and without initializations, we cannot utilize the local variable. Without declarations means what? Declarations int x, and int means the data types and x is the variable name. So this is the declaration, right? And initialization means what? The 10. 10 is the initialization. So see the see initialization and declarations in the same single line means what? Data type, variable name, and value, right? This is the initialization and declaration in the same single line. That's why the without initialization and without declarations, we cannot utilize the local variable. Understood? देखो मैंने क्या क्या किया I did the int x is the variable declarations and 10 is the variable initialization. That storing the value inside the x is a 10. Then system dot out dot the println. This is the utilizations. Utilizing the variable. Understood, everyone? Everyone understood?
Yes,
Hello?
sir. Yes, sir.
Easy?
Yes, sir. Easy.
Scope of the local variable means what? Then I am explaining once again. पहले समझते हैं जहाँ local variable होता क्या है. We have to understand first what is the local variable. Any variable. It can be x, y, z, anything. Any variable which is declared inside the method. This is the method, right? This is the method. Inside the method and within the method means same meanings. And within the method is called as local variable. Is whatever the value declared in the inside the method is called as local variable. The scope of the local variable, इसका scope कितना होता है? ये कब का क्या क्या कर सकता है? Okay, the scope of the local variable, it's from beginning of the method. Beginning of the method means what? Beginning means starting from here and till end of the method. Understood? In local variable will not have any default value. तो इसका कोई अगर local variable declare if we declare int x it does not have any default value. If the global variable there is the default value, right? In local variable will not have any default value and it cannot be classified into static and non-static. Understood, everyone? Then without declaration, अगर if I don't declare the local variable, then we cannot utilize the local variable. Understood? Without declarations and without initialization, we cannot utilize the local variable. Everyone understood? Hello,
Yes, sir.
everyone. Just if you have
Yes,
any
sir.
query, you can ask. Everyone understood? Just unmute yourself and tell the understood everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no doubt. Then write on your copy and write the examples. Okay, then you just phrase like this. This is the local variable and scope of the local variable. This is the initialization. Okay, and this is the utilization. Okay, you just phrase like this, then you will get understand. Done, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Everyone written? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's see the programs. Shall I explain? Okay. Then for that global variable. Then make the headings global variable. Make the headings global variable. Everyone done local variable? Hello? Everyone written?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, yes. Whatever the argument we are passing to the method, we can consider it as a local. If you passing inside the method, then you can consider this is a local variable. Understood, everyone? Then we will see the when the JVM will memory will become, then you will understand everything. Then every each and every point. Okay, don't worry. Have patience, then you will understand it. Then make the headings the global variable. Then everyone at first understood the default value of global variable. Byte. If we declare the global variable int, here is the int, right? Int means what? The default value is 0, and byte, this is the 0, and short also 0, and long also 0. If we declare the float, then 0.0f, this is the default value, right? And double 0.0d, and character u by double 000 or Unicode. Okay, and boolean true or false, boolean false, and string is null. Okay, hello, you just understood the int x equals to 0, x equals to 10, and see, any variable which is declared outside the method and inside the class is called as global variable. So means what? This is the class, right? This is the class name and this is the class. So any variable which is declared outside the method, this is the main method, right? This is the main method. Outside the method means method ki bahar, outside the method, and inside the class. This is the class. Class means what? This is scope. This is from this scope. Okay, this is the scope of the class, right? Outside the method and inside the class is called as global variable. Understood, everyone? Any variable which is declared outside the method and inside the class is called as global variable. Write down. Written. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, written.
Written, right? Then make the scope. Make the one more points the scope of the local variable. It's from beginning of the class and end of the class. It's from beginning of the class means what? This is the beginning starting from here until end of the class means what? From here. Okay. So scope of the global variable is that it's from beginning of the method, beginning of the class and end of the class. Okay. Global variable will have default value. Global variable will have default value. This is the default value, right? In global variable we have default value and local variable will not have any default value. Understood? And global variable will have default value and it can be classified into static and non-static, and it can be classified into static and non-static. Understood? Static and non-static we will see, then you will understand. Okay. Then once we declare the global variable, immediately we can't reinitialize. देखो एक बार हमने इसको डिक्लेयर कर दिया ना, तो अभी हम इसको क्या रीइनिशियलाइज नहीं कर सकते. We can't immediately we can't reinitialize. Understood everyone? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Then,
Yes, sir.
then
Global variable is immutable.
hmm?
Global variable is immutable.
Yes, immutable in nature.
Yes, sir.
Global variable is immutable in nature. Okay. What are the variable is the primitive data type is the immutable in nature, and what are the variable is the non-primitive, they are the mutable in nature. Understood? Understood everyone? Then write down on your copy. Make the heading, and this is the definitions and scope. There are the 4 points. Interviewer will be asked what is the difference between global variable and local variable. Okay. Then they might be asked what is the default value of the local variable. If you tell 0 or 1, then they will reject you, because local variable will not have any default value. Okay. इसको याद रखना, लोकल वेरिएबल का कोई डिफॉल्ट वैल्यू नहीं होता है और ग्लोबल वेरिएबल का दिस इज द डिफॉल्ट वैल्यू ऑफ द ग्लोबल वेरिएबल. अंडरस्टूड? अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन?
Yes, sir.
And right,
So, sir,
and
we have to take the default value as static int x equal to 10. So we are taking the default value and then we are printing it, right?
one second, tell.
Sorry.
Repeat 1 second.
Yes, so we are taking the default value integer x equal to 10 and then we are printing it,
No,
right?
no. If we don't declare anything, then it will by default initialize the 0. Understood? By default is the default value.
Okay, so print will
Wait
be
a minute. Wait. Just. Hello. হ্যাঁ দাদা বলুন. Yes. Understood everyone? Hello. See, if we declare the int int x simply, then it will initialize the 0. X is the default value is the 0, right? This is the by default value is the 0. And if we declare here int x, there is a no default value. Understood, everyone? There is a no default value, but in global variable there is a default value is 0. Int 0, short 0, byte 0, long 0, but float 0.0 f and double 0.0 d, and character के लिए यूनिक कोड होता है, and boolean false and string null. Understood, everyone? If we
Please repeat once again.
now this is the local variable, right? And this is the global variable. This is the global variable. This is the local. The local, if I declare the int x, then there is a no default value in x. And if I declare in the outside the method int x, then it is by default assigned the 0 as the default value for the x integer, for
Okay.
integer. Understood?
Okay.
Is the by default it will present 0 inside the x. Understood, everyone? And here no default value, there is a no default value in the local variable. If you declare int x inside the method, it will not have any default value in the local variable. Understood, everyone? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay. The written everyone, written scope and examples, and write down the default value. Interviewer will be asked the default value. Okay, and who wants to tell the difference between local and global variable? Anyone? Anyone? Anyone can tell the local and global variable? आप लोगों को जितना समझ में आया बताओ, just anyone just tell what is the local and global variable, difference between. Okay, I'll explain, right? If interviewer asks that explain the difference between local variable and global variable, then you just explain the local variable, the any variable which is declared within the method and inside the method is called local variable. And global variable, any variable which is declared outside the method or inside the class is called global variable. Then there is a two difference, right? Then next difference, it's from beginning in local variable, it's from beginning the method until end of the method. And in global variable, it's from beginning the class until end of the class. And in local variable will not have any default value, and in global variable will have any default value. And in local variable it will not classified into static and non-static, and in global variable it can be classified into static and non-static. Okay, you just explain like this. Understood, everyone? Understood? Hello? Hello, everyone. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Done, everyone? Written? Hello? Everyone written? Everyone? Everyone written?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, make the headings main method. Make the headings the main method. Done, everyone? Hello.
Yes, sir. Done.
Yes, sir.
Okay, write the syntax. Then understood this. Main method. Public. This is the access specifier. Public, it can be public, and protected, it can be protected. Okay, it can be private, it can be private. Okay, then it can be default or package. Default or package. Okay, understood? This is the access specifier. Public is the access specifier. This is the access specifier. Access specifier. And static. Static is the modifier. You just write like this, okay, on your copy. Sorry. Modifier. This is the modifier. And this is the main void. This is the return type. And static, it can be static and non-static. Or non-static. Okay, and main is the identifier. Understood, everyone? Hello. Public.
Yes, sir.
Public, this is the access specifier, and it can be protected, public, protected, private, and default. We will see when we will teach the access specifier, then we will get to know what is the public, what is private, what is protected, what is default or package. Okay, then static and non-static. This is the modifier, right? The modifier, it can be static or non-static. Then we will see the static and non-static. We will teach. I'll teach the static and non-static. Then you will get to know what is the static and non-static and what is the modifier. Understood everyone? This is the return type. Return type means what? Either this is the void it will not return anything. If we put then when we'll do the programs, then we'll get to know the what is the return type. Okay, understood? And this is the main. Main is the method name, but this is the identifier. Understood everyone? Everyone,
Yes, sir.
everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Then write down on your copy like this. This is the access specifier. You just make an arrow like this, and this is the modifier, and static and non-static, static or non-static, and protected, private, default or package. You have to like make the arrow like this, and you have to like this only. Then you will get to know what is this and that. Okay? You just make like this on your copy. This is the main method, syntax, the explanations. Okay? Everyone understood? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Everyone understood? Understood my voice?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Done, everyone? Hello? Everyone done? If you have done,
Done, sir.
you can put the message also. If done?
Done, sir.
Everyone done? Okay. Kunal done? Hello, Kumar. Hello, Kunal.
Done, sir, done.
Chinmoy. No, China Maya. Hello? Done? Everyone, this is the important things. Okay? The interviewer will give the syntax like this. Then they will ask, they explain all those points there. Everyone done? Okay. Shall we move to the next, right? Acha, headings, make the headings, methods, make the headings, methods, method. Done, everyone? Hello? Hello, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Make the heading, method. Okay. Then write the definitions. Method is a block of statement which is used to perform some operations whenever it's called or invoked. Method is a block of statement. Method is a block of statement means what? This is the method, right? This is the method, static void add. This is the method, and this is the block of statement, and this is the local to the block of this method. Understood, everyone? Int x equals to 10 and int y equals to 15. Then int yes sum equals to x plus y and system dot out dot println yes. Okay, see, method is a block of statement which is used to this is the method this is the static method. Method is a block of statement which is used to perform some operations. Perform some operations means what? This is the addition operation, right? Perform some operations whenever it's called. Whenever it's called, then it will get invoked. It will call or invoke. Okay. See, static is the keyword and void is the return type, right? And add is the method name. This is also called as identifier. Okay. Then this is the main method. Then every time we have to call the every method in the main method. We have to call the every method inside the main method. Okay, understood? It can be several types of method is there outside the main method, then we can call it as inside the main method. Understood, everyone? It means method is a block of statement. Block of statement means what? There is the total is the one block of statement which is used to perform some operations. Which is used to perform some operations means what? This is the operation, additional operations. Okay. Whenever it's called or invoke, जब इसको हम whenever it's called, जब हम इसको कॉल करते हैं फिर इसको क्या करते हैं? इन्वोक करते हैं. देखो क्या करता है, JVM start executing from main method. Main method is starting from the executing. Then it will comes to the next line. Then see, there is the add method, and then just call static. That's why. Then when we see the static, then we'll get to know the what is the static and non-static. Okay. Then now this is the static method. This is the method here just called. Then it will reflect. It is reflect the add method, and whatever the operation is done inside the add method, then it will perform. Then it will execute. Means what? Whenever it's called or invoke. Okay, जब हम इसको कॉल करेंगे तभी ये मेथड परफॉर्म करेगा. Understood, everyone? Everyone understood? Hello, shall I explain once again? Hello, everyone. Shall I explain once again?
Yes, sir. Explain once again.
Okay. Method is a block of statement. So we saw the method. What is the method, right? See. This is the method. Return type is the void, and static means what is the static means we will see after the next concept. Then when will come the static, then we'll see the what is the static. Understood? Then static void main. Static void means this is the method. Method is a block of statement. This is the total block. This is the total block. This is the method, right? This is the total block of method which is used to. This is the used, which is used to. This is the space, right? Which is used to perform some operations. This is the operations. Then we want to perform the additional operation, right? Then this is the operation which is used to perform some operations whenever it's called or invoked, जब इसको हम कॉल करेंगे तब ये ऑपरेशन क्या करेगा, परफॉर्म करेगा. ओके, then it will perform. The JVM is starting executing from main method, starting executing from the main method. Then it will see the add method is there, then it will call the add method. There is the add method. Then there the see the int x equals to 10. Then 10 value it will store in the x, and 15 it will store in the y. Okay, then int yes, this is the third variable, right? Then x equals to x plus y means what? And now 10 plus 15, 10 plus 15 means what? 25. The 25 is stored in the yes. Yes means some variable, right? The sum. The system dot out dot println print the sum. The whatever the value operation is performed inside the method, then it will print in the sum. Understood, everyone? Everyone understood? Then we will see in the programs. Everyone understood? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, just tell understood or not?
Understood.
Any doubt? If you have any doubt, then you can ask. Any doubt, guys? Any doubt? Any doubt? Hello?
No doubt, sir. No doubt.
Okay. Everyone, any doubt? This is the starting point. If you have any doubt, you can ask. You just strong your base, then you will. Then Java is easy. Okay, if you understand the variable methods, then you will get to know the features, whatever the functions will do. It will be work, the whatever the concept. Easily you will understand. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Hello? No doubt, everyone?
No doubt.
Okay, write down on your copy. Done, everyone? Hello? Everyone done? Yes? Hello? Who's this? Hello? Everyone done?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. Then everyone installed the JDK and set the path trying to set the path. If you don't able to set the path, then I will teach you how to set the path. And installed edit plus edit plus installed edit plus. Okay, installed edit plus. Okay, then two things you have to install on your system. Then next class we will see the practically, then you will understand all those things, the default value, what is the default value, what is the method, how it will work. Okay, understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you just install JDK and edit plus, not Eclipse. Eclipse we will go after the constructor. Then we will use the edit Eclipse. Okay, now we will use the edit plus. You have to write the code in the edit plus, because interviewer will be if the task, if the interviewer will be the virtual interview is there, then they will give the task and write down the edit plus the code. Then they will not give the run the code, but you just write your code, and they will see your confidence and syntax only. They will not need to know the output. Okay, that's why you have to practice at first the edit plus, then after that we will see the if list. If list, there is a many shortcut keys there. That's why we will not use at first edit plus, then at first we used edit plus, after that we will use Eclipse. Okay, understood everyone? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then I will share with you attendance form, then you just put it there. Okay.